For Saturday, the 27th of January 2018, welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, where we have Invest 93 possibly heading towards tropical cyclone status, and a tropical low pressure system currently lies to the south of the Solomon Islands. And due to the increasing monsoon across the northern Coral Sea, low has potential to intensify over the next 24 to 36 hours. Moderate chance remains for the low developing into a TC well offshore of the Queensland coast during Sunday. If a cyclone does form, it would move southeast away from the Australian east coast. From Monday morning onwards, the system is expected to interact with increasing wind shear and shift southeast to be near or east of the eastern region boundary. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre, their position is a little bit clearer. Area convection, previously located near 11.9 degrees south, 156.3 degrees east, located near 11.9 south, 156.8 degrees east, about 755 nautical miles northwest of Port VILA, Vanuatu. Vanuatu has no information. Upper level analysis indicates that 93P is located in an area light to moderate 10 to 15 vertical wind shear, both equator and poleward outflow. Sea surface temperatures 28 to 30 Celsius combined with a favourable environment will strengthen the 93P over the next several days. So Invest 93 is not going to go away. And Bureau Meteorology and other information is indicating it could drop to 979 millibars. Here's the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's track, and they're saying heading in a south-southerly direction. Here's the life of Invest 93P so far. Bureau Meteorology doesn't like forecasting more than 3 days, especially when it comes to tropical activity. However, there is a ocean wind warning in place. Now here's a look at the NOAA floaters. The latest from the Bureau Meteorology shows that Invest 93P, central pressure 994, located near 12 south, 156 east, and it's expected to drop to 990 millibars to be located near 17 south, 159, within 240 nautical miles to the monsoon trough, and 400 nautical miles to low. Northwest quarterly winds north of trough, shifting southeast quarter south of the trough. Winds clockwise within 400 nautical miles. Now, global models are in good agreement, and 93P will continue to strengthen and track in a southerly trajectory over the course of the next 24 to 48 hours. Now here's the Solomon Islands warning chart, and of importance is the yellow and the red. Now here's a look at precipitable water GFS model. Winds clockwise within 400 nautical miles below, wind speeds 15 to 25, increasing 25 to 33 within 120 nautical miles of the warning areas. Moderate swell, increase to moderate to rough within 400 nautical miles below. Now we have a look, this is the precipitable water, and you can see the possible lows and pressure and wind. Now here's a look at various tracks on Invest 93. The Bureau of Meteorology in this updated information is indicating that the low 93p is expected to drop 987 millibars and be located 16 south 159. And Force 13 will continue to bring updated information, and please monitor the main channel around 11 AM local time. On the main channel, Nathan and I are planning to go live to cover what's going on down here in the southern hemisphere. A monsoon trough extends from near the Cocos Islands to south of Christmas Island across the northern Kimberley to a tropical low located about 180 kilometres east of Halls Creek. Tropical low is likely to remains, apology for that, over land as it tracks west-southwest across the southern Kimberley during a Sunday. Expected to deepen overland, and as a result damaging winds, heavy rain are forecast for parts of the Kimberley. Please check the warning pages for the WA and Northern Territory officers. They do have various warnings in place. Now this is a Tropical Tidbits website, and it's Invest 93 going to track to the west of New Caledonia. Another weather group is saying there's no chance that Invest 93 as a tropical cyclone will impact the area south of Fraser Island. The latest Bureau of Meteorology's total forecast of rain and wind shear remains an issue, and as mentioned, the Coral Sea has always been a forecaster's minefield for forecasting. And again, it's the purple, red and pink areas. We will have a look at the local weather scene.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.